craft. You gotta learn, have fun, be happy. Happiness in life is only with handmade items. You gotta craft. Thanks for staying with me, how to craft. You are a 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 craft. We are a craft. Join us, children, youth, adult, old people. Thanks for staying with me, how to craft. You gotta learn, have fun, be happy. Happiness in life is only with handmade items. You gotta craft. Thanks for staying with me, how to craft.